Oh yeah, look at that little one in the middle. Wait a minute. You're riding on the super. Where is that elephant? There it is, that way. It's the arrow.
Wow.
Come in.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna get his other suitcase and bag.
Guys, naano mi diri. Andito na kami sa aming hotel. Ganda. So, yan yung parang master bedroom. Yes. Dalawang bed, pinag-isa na lang. So nice, guys. And look at the view. Wow. Look at that. We are in the heart of Proud Beach. Look at that. Parang dagat na, guys. Oh. Diba? Malapit lang pala. Hala. Tapos, ito yung room namin na Aaron, guys. Tapos, ensuite, guys. May sariling toilet and bath. Oh, may bath talaga, literal. Tapos, ang bango, guys. Ang linis. Hi! Ang ganda. Aesthetic. Ang malinis siya, guys. Ito yung sala, guys. And then kitchen. Pwede kami magluto dito. Ganda. Nabe ref. Ang laki ng ref. Tapos freezer. Apartment talaga siya, guys. Tapos dining. Tapos yung TV lang. Ganda, uy. Tapos, yun, may mga, may another, toilet and bath. So, dalawa yung toilet and bath niya, guys. And then, this is the second room. Wala, ang daming makasya dito, guys. Tapos, dito pwede pa maglagay ng ang tawag nun? Airbed. Ang ganda. Look at the view, guys. Ooh, ang ganda ng weather today. Look at that. We are on the 20th floor. Ang ganda ng Bird Beach, guys. We usually stay sa guys, sa surfers pag New Year o may mga special occasion, but this time we have a friend na we have friends who live nearby. And doon kami mag-New Year's Eve. So, it's for a change. Dito na lang kami nag-book. It's like 15 minutes away from home. It's like staycation. Yes. This is our look for today. Look at my earrings. Sa ganda ng weather.
What making that?
Red man again.
Having dinner. But, I'm still waiting for my order. Nakain na naman yung takoyaki. Masarap yung takoyaki nila, guys. May calamari, spring rolls, fries for Alex. And then what are you having, babe? Steak. Teppanyaki. Set. So may salad na may soup. Tapos may rice. So masarap. And dumating ng order ko, guys. Yummy. Got the steak. Let's see.
No, go. Kiss. Mama, no. Kiss ka. No, no,
Kiss, kiss ka naman.
CR pa sa Aaron.
No kissing.
I like kissing.
Mama, kissing.
I'll buy you ice.
Guys, grabe yung tao. Oh my gosh. This is the Maggie Chill. Grabe, kakaunan na si Alex sa ice cream. Nakabili na kami ng ice cream, guys, with Alex. Grabe yung ang haba ng linya sa ice cream, guys. Sobrang busy. Buti na lang kumain na kami doon sa Pacific Fair. Wala masyadong tao. Kaya kung dito kami nag-dinner tapos hindi kami nakapabook, my God, para alas 10 pa kami makain, guys. So, I'm having salted caramel. And then, chocolate kay Alex. Yung ate ko, andun pa, nag-wait pa sa order niya. Guys, nakabalik na kami sa hotel room. Tulog na si Alex, guys. Hindi ko na na-video kasi, naiyak. Hindi ko na na-video kanina. So, nakapangtulog na tayo. Nag-ano na tayo, guys, punas. Actually, ginamit ko yung bathtub nila para sulit naman. It feels good, fresh. Grabe, ang daming tao din kanina, guys. Grabe. Kasi New Year. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Hindi ko lang kung kita nyo ba, kung clear ba siya kasi medyo madilim dito. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, good morning. Today is the last day of 2025, December 31st. We're going to the shops, guys. I think it's 8:45. Punta kami sa shops ni Alex. Bili kami ng pagkain. Tulog pa si Aaron. Yung ate ko gising na siya, guys, pero parang punta daw siya sa mall. So kanya-kanya yung lakad namin, no. Kanya-kanyang lakad namin. Mainit. It's good. Mas gusto pa yung mainit, guys, kaysa sa malamig. Ang ganda ng weather today, really. Sana hindi umulan mamaya kasi may fireworks at 8 p.m. And then punta kami dun sa friend namin. Dito malapit lang yung bahay nila. Yes, it's so exciting. So bili lang tayo ng mga pagkain natin para mamaya. Siguro magluluto kami konti kasi parang punta kami dun sa friend ko around 4 p.m. and then 8 p.m. yung fireworks. So after ng fireworks siguro balik na kami sa hotel para mag-prepare for New Year for 12. Salubungin naman yung New Year dun sa hotel, guys. So medyo malayo-layo yung lalakarin natin papuntang Woolies, guys. Pero okay lang exercise kasi mamaya para mapalaban tayo sa pagkain, daming pagkain. Yan si Alex. Gusto ni Alex mag-swimming kanina, guys. Pagising niya, sabi niya, I wanna go swim. Sabi naman ni Aaron, mamaya na. Malamig pa daw yung pool. So, ang ganda dito sa Broad Beach, guys, no? Para marami siyang buildings, pero still laid back. Alam mo yun, it's not overcrowded. And the traffic is not too bad. Mag-Pacific Fair, sana kami, guys. Pero parang Hindi ako masyado familiar sa Pacific Fair. Baka mawala ako dun, mauubos yung oras namin. Kaya punta na lang ako sa punta na lang kami sa Woolies. Ayun yung mga hotels nila dito. Marami sa dito, guys, mga hotels. So, guys, grabe yung tao. Oh my God. Si Alex, grabe yung iyak niya. My gosh, uwi na kami, guys. Hindi na ako naka-vlog kanina kasi grabe yung tao. Si Alex, nag-iyak pa. Diyos ko. Ayun, guys. Hindi na magkasya sa pram yung pinamili ko.
I
na si Alex.
I'm going swimming.
Hi guys, swimming na kami.
You film you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, keep your head. No, keep your head on. It's only good. That's good. Smile. Smile.
Hey guys! So, andito na kami sa bahay ni Ninya. Host of the year. Ano sige, apelido ninyo, Day? Twice? Twice family. Thank you, Day. Ganda ng place nila, guys. Diba? Yung mga kids, na dito. Ana sila, Kat. Nakabalik na kami sa hotel, guys. What's the time, babe? What's the time?
20 minutes.
11:40. Yeah, this. So, 19 minutes to go. Ito yung munting handa namin. Yan. Simple lang handa namin, guys, kasi hindi kami masyadong nakapagluto. Ano lang, init-init lang mostly sa oven. Alex still awake. His first
No, change minute.
New Year.
Yeah, no, take minutes.
Na ano siya, gising.
You're doing the countdown.
I wonder if you can see the fireworks from here. Wow. Ito pala yung ano natin. Ito pala yung outfit. Our New Year's outfit. Kita niyo ba ako, guys? Parang tumaba ko, guys. Grabe yung kain. For December thing, ano talaga. Left and right. Alam, may tag pag wala. Hello guys, Happy New Year! First day of the year 2026. So we're going
Where are we going?
for a swim. Late na kami nagising mga 10 kasi we went to bed like 2 a.m. Si Alex 12:30 a.m. Yan guys, sa swimming na si Alex. Mag-aalauna na no. I think it's 1:45. And sobrang tirik ng araw guys, but it's good. Gusto ko yung mainit kesa sa malamig. Swimming time. Ang cute ng outfit ni Alex. Sobrang happy ni Alex.
Ready?
Sa inyo si Alex guys. Sleepy na daw siya. Our last night here for now. Definitely will be back here, babe. It's nice. Hopefully. Yeah. So nag-ano na kami guys, yung ate ko nag-ano na siya, naglinis na siya. Para bukas konti na lang yung ligpit namin. Hey guys, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Pumunta pala kami sa mall. Doon kami nag-dinner. Tapos, kasi close lahat. Most of the shops were closed. So, kumain lang kami ng burger guys. Kasi nakalabas kami kanina mga 5:30 na so pagdating namin doon. Close na yung mga shops. Although Thursday naman ngayon, meaning Thursday late night shopping. But I think because it's New Year's Day, kaya maaga nag-close yung mga tindahan, mga shops sa mall. So anyway, nag-aano na pala ako guys, nag-impake na ako. We're packing. Kasi check out na kami tomorrow. 10 AM yata yung check out. So, nagsimula na ako magligpit para bukas hindi na masyadong ang daming labahin namin. May dryer naman tsaka dun. Ang tawag dun? Washing machine. Pero hindi nakalimutan ko. Sana naglaba ako. Ang daming labahin. Pag uwi sa bahay nito bukas, ko. Dami kong lalabhan. I wish this year would bring us more blessings, more opportunities, good health. Yan lang ang always na pinipray ko. Good health and malayo sa sakit and sa disgrasya. Yan lang talaga. Good health. And for everyone, para sa ating lahat. And I hope na andyan pa rin kayo guys to support us sa aming mga vlogs, especially dito sa YouTube because we're gonna start this year. One of my goals is to go back to vlogging again in YouTube in longer forms. Hindi yung mga shorts lang. So hopefully sana we'll be able to upload more videos like this. And please let me know in the comment section kung ano yung mga content yung gusto nyong gawin namin. And we will try our best to do them. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.